I got a Metalic Marilyn, and it's the first ever scavenger hunt for my channel, and the packaging is destroyed. I was going to keep it in the packaging for later on in my life, but I guess that's a no. Ladies and gentlemen, I am the Fabulous75, and yeah, today is going to be a looking at the Metalic Marilyn Super Chase. Now, a lot of you are probably happy, like, yay, it's finally reviewing a Super Chase, but as I said in the beginning, the packaging is destroyed, so that's a shame. On the packaging, you see Marilyn, not metallic, scavenger hunt thing on the side, which I really want to find another scavenger hunt, but 360 Babley found this for me, and he told me, like, hey, the packaging is going to be destroyed, and I said, it's fine, it's probably not that bad, and then, yeah. So on the back, you see some other Super Chases, Sally, Ramon, Shannon Spokes, and Rex, Reveler, I think it was his last name. So, I'm gonna get this car opened. So, let's go over this. So, it's got a metallic luster and a flamed paint job. That's it. It's also shiny, but that's it. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I know it's been a short video. Will I ever get another Super Chase? Probably not. Because they're rare. So, I was lucky that my brother found this. So, thanks for watching, like I said before, and I'll see you guys next time. Shout out to